Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the absolute fastest way to redeem your Roblox promo codes, gift cards, or secret item codes, whether you are playing on a mobile device or a PC. Since the main Roblox application completely hides the redemption page, trying to find it inside the standard app menus is just a waste of time. Instead, the ultimate universal method is to open any standard internet browser, on your phone, tablet, or computer, such as Google Chrome or Safari. Head straight to the address bar at the very top, type in roblox.com/redeem, and hit enter to load the official, secure Roblox redemption webpage. If you aren't already signed in, simply log into your exact account right here. Now, look for the text box labeled Code. Carefully type or paste your code inside it without any accidental spaces, and click the bright blue Redeem button. A green success message will instantly pop up, and your free items, exclusive accessories, or Robux credits will immediately transfer directly into your account inventory. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.